This video is brought to you by Schmilschmeh. Oh, no, Skillshare.
Hey, I'm 1000. What time is it? About time I paint another video game console. That's right, I painted a lot of video game consoles at this point. Got my original Nintendo, painted the OG Game Boy. You know I had to hit him with that PS5, baby. Double-sided, oh yeah. But today I think I want to play around with the art style of cubism. That's right, GameCubism. The Nintendo GameCube. Ooh, so many good childhood memories on this thing, especially playing Super Smash Bros. Melee. Taking me back, I think when I was a kid we had like the periwinkle blue one, but I found this black one on eBay, so that's the one I'm gonna be painting. Even got the memory card in there. Remember memory cards? Oh, good times. I wanna say I used to play as Ness and Falco in Melee, but today is not about playing this thing, although hopefully I'll have a little bit of time to do that. It's more about painting this thing. So, today I'm painting a Nintendo GameCube. Let's jump into it. Okay, first things first, let's take this thing apart. Last time when I did the Game Boy, I had to order these special tools to be able to get inside of the system I was working on. I'm really hoping these work on the GameCube as well, and I don't have to order more special tools, but only time will tell. Now, how do I know which screwdriver to use? Whoa. Oh, this one seems to be turning something. Let's... 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Guess I didn't do this one enough. Oh yeah. Oh my God, this is embarrassing. Shrek 2 is in the disk drive. Don't judge me, guys. Dang, this thing is doosty. I don't know if that's really how you're supposed to dust stuff. There's probably some tech people yelling at me for dusting this in this way.
Don't care.
Must take good care of my Shrek 2. Now this, jeez, is what I'm after. I'm pretty sure my finger's broken and I haven't gone to the doctor for it yet, so that's really tough to do. Ooh, do we have movement? Yes, baby. And then the open button has like a full-on mechanism that I think, it's got like springs and screws, and I really don't think I'm gonna do a good job of putting that back together, so we're just gonna figure out how to work around that. And don't lose the screw, cause then you are screwed. Handle. I am such a freaking technical wizard. Just kidding. I think that's what we're gonna be working with. This is our canvas today. I'm gonna clean this thing up and then we're gonna paint it. GameCube. Tape it off. GameCube. Let's paint it, dog. Let's spray paint the GameCube.
Bro, I really love your art.
Thank you. Painting another gaming system, we just paint and flip them, but if they collect them, I know I use a lot of teal. Ain't broke, don't fix it, don't tell me how to feel. I'ma paint how I paint, just let me do my thing. Here's another can of flame. Ding. Hello. Welcome back to my channel, Console Snappers, where every single day we bring you high-quality material on photographing consoles. Play the theme song. Console Snappers, take a picture of your video games. Today I'm here at 1000's house doing a collaboration. We're gonna be photographing this beautiful GameCube with the iPad. So let's get started. Okay, now come on, speak to me. What is your true essence? It's important to listen to the console. It will tell you what it wants. This may be one of the most challenging shoots I've ever been on. This may be a good angle. You know, I invented this technique in 1983. You get your shot lined up, and then you wave your hand really fast in front of it while you take the photo. Well, it's been 16 hours of shooting, but I finally got the shots. You got this one, you got this one, and you got this one. Thanks so much for tuning in to Console Snappers. Definitely like and subscribe for more photographs of video game consoles. That's our whole channel. I'm sorry. This is stupid. Okay. Leave a comment, bye. Yo, huge shout out to Console Snappers for collabing with me. I'm honored and humbled to be working with a talented guy like that. But I got my photos now, so I guess it's time to jump into the concept art. Here we go.
I didn't know what I wanted to do on this thing, but then I remembered the original code name for the GameCube was the Nintendo Dolphin. I love video game code names. The N64 was originally Project Reality, and the Wii was originally the Nintendo Revolution. So this is my homage to the Nintendo Dolphin.
Yeah, 1000 aka Mr. Robinson.
What you gonna draw?
I'ma draw a dolphin, son. Donkey Konga slapping, that's I mean beat though. The flood backpack on the Isle of Delfino. I learned to make art off of Mario Paint. Somebody asked me to stop.
Can you stop?
I can't. Smash Brothers Melee. Yeah, he pay eBay, cause he paint these games. My fire's PK.
All right. I got my sketch transferred onto the GameCube. I printed out my concept art. I cut it up. I laid down the transfer paper, taped it down, and then transferred my sketch with the ballpoint pen to get my original concept art onto the GameCube. Boom. Now, I am going to hit this GameCube with a bit of matte medium because when I paint with acrylic paints onto spray paint, I find that matte medium makes it so that everything just plays real nicely together, kind of preps the spray paint for what I'm about to do next. So while I do this, let's hear a word from our sponsors.
Hey, princess.
Yeah?
You must marry me.
Oh, but I shan't.
Well, if you can paint me a beautiful portrait of my kingly image, I will pardon thee for this treason.
Oh no, I do not know how to paint.
That evening. What's wrong, princess?
Who are you?
I'm the Skillshare elf.
Oh, hello. Well, the king wants me to paint his portrait, or he will force me to marry him.
Fear not, princess, you can use Skillshare to learn all kinds of amazing new skills. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You should check out Drawing and Painting Portraits by Gabriel Brickley to level up your portrait skills.
Oh, thank you, Skillshare elf.
The next morning.
Where is my portrait?
Here it is, your majesty.
Well, holy cow, I look freaking dope. But listen, this portrait was just round one. If you really don't want to marry me, here's what you have to do. You need to drop in some sweet After Effects animations into my new YouTube video.
Oh no.
That evening.
What is it this time, princess?
The king wants me to do some After Effects something or other.
Well, fear not, princess. Check out Simple Character Animation by Fraser Davidson on Skillshare.
But won't Skillshare be pretty expensive with all these classes I'm taking?
Oh no! It's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription, and with your subscription you get access to unlimited classes!
Skillshare is truly amazing, Mr. Elf, and it's saving me from marrying that evil king.
The next morning.
Where are my animations?
Here they are.
Wow, these are incredible. Where did you learn to do this?
I learned on Skillshare.
Well, I need to check this Skillshare out.
Well, the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free trial, a premium membership, so you can explore your creativity.
Wow, I think I'll get signed up. Oh, and princess,
Yes?
you're free.
Hooray!
Okay, everything is done, the prep work is done. I have this pile of books here to rest my hand on while I work, so I think it's finally time for us to get painting. Here we go. This piece I'm using Golden Fluid Acrylics, my go-to paint. I have a lot of my art supplies linked down in the description if you guys want to check out any of the stuff I use.
They call him Flipper, Flipper, lives in a world full of wonder.
All right, it's time for me to paint this dolphin. I was thinking to myself, do I make it pink? Do I make it purple? Do I make it orange? But then I was like, you know, it'd be really bizarre for me as an artist. What if I painted it regular dolphin colors? I'm always making stuff trippy, so wouldn't it be trippy if I made something regular? I've got like this bright yellow Super Mario Sunshine flood device going on. It's gonna be a red hat, it's gonna be a blue and yellow shirt. We got this bright teal background, and I was like, maybe I should just do that bluish, grayish dolphin color, so all these other vibrant colors will pop. These are the thoughts that I think as I'm trying to figure out my colors. So, with the battle plan in action, I think it's time that we start painting this dolphin. Here we go.
Painting this GameCube definitely presented some challenges. First of all, the thing is freaking tiny. I think the painting is like 6 inches by 6 inches or something. I mean, hats off to Nintendo for squeezing such a cool console into such a tiny form factor. But when it comes to painting this thing, I was using like the most minuscule brushes the whole time. Another thing that was kind of challenging for me is that like dolphins are so dang smooth. Sometimes it's hard for me to paint super smooth objects. Like painting something with fur or painting fabric or things that are like a little bit more complex and have more contrast. To me is a little bit easier than painting like these smooth dolphin skins with their like aerodynamic bodies designed for like cutting through the water. I guess that's something that I can continue to work on as an artist. But all in all, I think this thing is turning out super sweet, and this like chunky dolphin is so cool to me. He just makes me laugh every time I look at him. He's got his little Mario hat on, he's got his little Ness shirt on, he's got a little Flood backpack from Super Mario Sunshine. He's about to turn that island of Delfino into the island of Dolfino, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I have finished the front. Really feeling how this is coming out. I swear this chubby dolphin is like my new spirit animal. I love him so much. So I think what I'm gonna do just on the sides is something really simple. Just these kind of wave patterns that I do a lot. They've kind of become a part of my visual language. I feel like the sides of the console aren't gonna be seen that much, but I still wanna spice it up a little bit. Just throw a little bam, sauce on the sides. Because if the sides aren't saucy, then you've lost me. Oh, damn it. Should have thought of that beforehand. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and zhuzh up the sides a little bit, and then we'll be done with the Nintendo GameCube. Well, I think I am finally done with the Nintendo GameCube, custom painted by yours truly. And now the only thing left to do is the final Heck yes! This one was super fun. I have a very soft place in my heart for the Nintendo GameCube. I'm pretty hyped on how this painting came out. Let me know what you guys think of it. If you like this painting, if you like this video, leave a like. That would be super rad. You know, as I'm making paintings, I think some weird thoughts to myself. I got a lot of time to think, and I'm like, do you guys watching? This is an art channel, and this piece of art is like the art of the video. But to me, each of these paintings or murals or whatever appears in my video is just one small part of it. To me, the real art is the video. That's why I appreciate so much that you guys watch my videos, each and every single one of you who's watching. To me, being able to make these videos lets me do my art. It lets me write stupid little songs. It lets me do skits. It lets me edit. It lets me do sound design and mixing and recording and like all of these things coming together. To me, that's the art piece. The video is the art piece, and this little thing right here, it is a piece of art, but it's just one small part of that. I don't know. Is this making any sense? That's kind of how I feel about my videos, but I super duper appreciate you guys for watching. It's so crazy that we've built this like awesome little community. Anyway,
Feeling kind of sentimental and really definitely super appreciative. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would mucho appreciate it. And you guys can also check out my merch at 1000art.com. I got t-shirts and hoodies and long sleeves and all kinds of sweet stuff over there. 1000art.com. Check it out, baby. Dude, this is awesome. More video game consoles need handles. What other console has a handle? I'd say more need them. I want to give a quick shout out to one of my patrons. Like, the intro to this video had all these sweet animations, and that was done by one of my patrons. His Instagram is @thesaucum. He's an insanely talented animator. I'm glad he's on my team, and his Instagram has a bunch of really cool art on there. So guys, definitely go check him out. Go give him a follow. Woo! And thank you so much to all the rest of my patrons. You guys make videos like these possible. I really super duper appreciate you so very much. You're the coolest people on the internet. You know this. I know this. We know this. I'm gonna set this GameCube down now. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'm 1000. I will catch you guys on the next one. Mucho love.